Hello guys and welcome back to another video here at FX GK. So on today's video guys, we're just gonna continue on from yesterday's video. If you didn't watch my previous video guys, you guys can just go check it out because why that trade idea that I was showing you guys yesterday did explode like an atom bomb. So guys, let's jump straight into this video. So as you guys can see on the left hand side, we have a full trading plan right here to the left hand side. So we're gonna go through all of these rules, right, and apply it on a daily day-to-day charts. That is what I want you to do as well, right? To get your mind prepared before you taking a trade, because why a lot of you guys are so eager, so impatient to take a trade. That is why you're losing money into the market. So the key is not to give away money every single day to the volatility markets. That is not the key. That is not the key why we're trading. The key why we're trading is to gain money out of it, to take small losses, but to gain money on a daily basis. So guys, let's jump straight into it. So as you guys can see, it's a framework. Don't trade what you think, right? Trade what you see. That's the heading of this trading plan. Don't trade what you think, trade what you see. So first thing we're gonna do is determine the direction of the market, trending or ranging. That was for also the first thing in yesterday's video. So we can currently see that we're still trading in between this daily and this daily reason right here. You know how I mark off my areas of support and resistance, and my key levels is just look for one or two touches where you can see price get where price get a lot of rejections from. As we can see right there, that reason price spike, and there we have a massive move to the downside. So now we can see price is currently in daily range. That is what we all can see. So now we can just take it off, right? Because that is what we can see. So now just go to 4 hour time frame. I'll just love to mark off less levels. I don't want to let my charts look cluttered, right? That is what I love to do, guys. So what you guys can see right now on a second thing is read market structure. So what we see on market structure right now is that price was currently, let me just turn off this thing. Price was currently in lower high, higher high breakout structure. So right, come and retest this order block, and then we can see prices currently creating higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, that is what price is currently doing. So what we must do right now, guys, is to mark all of our market structure areas. That is how we build up our confluence before we even starting to look for to take a trade opportunity, right? That is what we must do right there, right? Uh read market structure. So now place key levels, right? So key levels, what I can see right here, that we have this zone right here where price is currently trading. We have multiple touches. That is what I can see right here. Previously, price break above retest, and you can see price run from this region here again to the upside. So this is an area that I can see right here. Let me just mark it and say this is our 4 hour level. This is a 4 hour level that I can see right there. And let's lock it. Where's the lock tool right now? It's okay. I don't know why this thing don't want to lock me in. So we did do that. So what I can see right now is that we already mark off our key mark levels because right, we have our dailies and we have 4 hour, and then we have this daily down here, right? We also have a trend in the market. We see that we currently trade the upside, right? So now mark off your daily and 4 hour order blocks, right? That is what we must do right now. This order block right here is a valid order block, as you guys can see. But previously, yesterday, price did come to the downside, break up, come into this order block, and there we can see price rally all the way to the upside. So I'm not gonna mark any order blocks right here because, right, you guys can see, right, price did already come into this region right here. So we're still maintaining this order block right here to the upside. So that is not gonna be like that is why I cannot mark other order block because we didn't break above this high yet. We're still maintaining the same order block, right? This is what we have to keep in mind. We're still maintaining under this order block, right? This is still our main order block right here because right, this order block didn't break out of our previous high structure yet, right? So if we're starting to Let me just show you example. Sorry for this, but it will help you if you start to break buff right there, right? Then now we know we have this order block right here, right? Because why? This is a valid order because why? Now we broke out of our previous highs, right? That is what I love to see. We must broke out of structure, right? So we already mark off. Yeah, that I cannot see order block. So let's scale down to 30 minutes, right? I can skip the 1 hour for now because right, I love to scale down to my 30 minutes order blocks in my 30-minute order blocks, my 15-minute order blocks. So what we can see right here, right now, guys, is that we have this breakout of structure of previous highs. Then the price come down, creates new high. So let's mark off this order block right here. And this is a beautiful order block. Why is this a beautiful order block? Because why this candle right here did engulf our previous bearish candle, right? This is a strong order block, right? So wait for price, wait for retracement back to key levels or the order block. That is basically what the plan is saying. We must wait for price to come to this order block or this 4 hour level before we can take it straight. But that is only what we must wait for, right? It doesn't say take a trade from it, wait for it, read price flow, right? Price flow, you guys know, we can see we impulse to the upside, prices creating higher highs and higher lows. That is what we can see. Okay, entry plan, stick to these rules, right? Key level, order block, and price patterns. This is where we come trading, right? We at order block, we must wait for it, right? And key levels, right? Break of structure is a must. We always have this break of structure, as you guys can see. Break, break of structure, break of structure. That is what we can see, right? So now we must wait for our entry candle patterns, right? We must get a doji, right, in our engulfing candle. This is basically what I mean. You see there we have a doji right here. We have a doji, two doji, and then we have our engulfing candle. So that is what we must wait for. As we can see right here, right now, is that we have our doji candle right here. So what we must wait for now is that we must wait for our engulfing candle, right? Wait for our engulfing candle. As you guys can see, also I did write it, doji and engulfing 30 minutes or 15 minutes, right? That is what we must wait for. Or our variation candles only on 30 minutes, right? So let me just scale down to 15 minutes, see if we got any. Okay, we have a doji right here. We have a doji on our 15-minute. Just we have a doji on our 15-minute, but not our engulfing yet. So we cannot take a trading opportunity yet. So I must wait, right? I must wait. We still have some liquidity under this reason right here as well. So it's about to be a patient game for me right now. So let's wait for 30 minutes to showing us that it wants to continue to the upside, right? Our 30 minutes gonna close in 14 minutes. So that is going to be the right time to wait, right? So if we get that set up, where are we gonna target? This is going to be our high. This is going to be our first target reason, right? If we get, and our second target reason is going to be this reason right here on our daily, where we saw some major reversals from. So that is basically what we stick off. We don't have this doji and engulfing yet, and we don't have variation candles yet. So guys, so now it's all about being patient and waiting for your plan to be executed, right? That is the rules that I'm following every single day. Without those rules, guys, I'm not actually taking any trades. That is why I'm really successful in what I'm doing, because why I'm waiting for the right opportunity to come my way, right? While your guys is so impatient, you guys has already trading setups, and that is why you lose. So let me just show you something else on my other pair as well on VIX25. So there's also a setup that I'm waiting for now for price to come into this reason to take the downside. So, but if you guys want to learn this, guys, I would love you guys to join my free group. The link is somewhere in the bio. Just Look there, guys. So it's your boy FXGK, guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you got value from this, let me know in the comments down below and hit the subscribe button right now.